Hi, I'm Cole Cusanelli. I'm a clinical director at JAG Physical Therapy. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of exercises for your hips, strengthening, dynamic, for your weekend warriors, and even your athletes. One of my favorite exercises, the Bulgarian split squat. Get the most bang for your buck. It takes stress off of that low back. You're not putting a ton of stress on the knees either. A good way I like to set up, you could use a chair or a bench. You sit down, slide out a lead foot where it still stays nice and flat on the ground. Stand up. Trail leg goes back, making sure this knee doesn't cave inward. You can use weights as needed. Slow and under control on the way down. Back up. Good compound exercise. Now we're gonna go over the single leg RDL. One way you can set up, you can use a cone. You wanna bring your opposite leg to the other side. You wanna bend the knee slightly. Lift this other leg. You wanna hinge at the hips. You can lock your low back. Think of the glute and the hamstring kind of elongating as you're going down, slow and under control. Tap, and then use that same hamstring and glute to pull yourself back up. You should feel all the tension back there. You can use a weight in the opposite arm. There's variations. You can do both legs, single leg, but that's kind of the gist of it. Another great exercise is the farmer's carry. It's kind of a full body exercise. One in which you can grab dumbbells, smaller weights, anything that works for you. You could do a double-handed, walking back and forth through the room, as well as single-handed, engaging a little more of a unilateral core activation. So that looks like something like this, where you can grab both dumbbells, walk across the room. You can even do obstacles, things something like this, as well as the single arm farmer's carry, activating a little more core activation, a little more balancing, for your higher level athletes. Another great exercise is the lateral step down. It's great, it's a functional exercise. You could do it at home, right on your staircase. So how you can do it is you wanna put your one foot right on the edge of your step. You're gonna keep your hips nice and level here. You're gonna get all the motion on the plant leg. The plant knee bends, slow and under control, tap, back up. You could progress that with a higher step. There's different levels of these stools to make it easier or harder. Please like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope these are some good options for you to add to your arsenal. Book at jagpt.com